Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial for a French manicure using dip powders. So today we will be using North Star Glow from Sparkle & Company, along with Rossi's Honeymoon Color. We will also be using Triple D liquids. This includes dip base, activator, and dip top coat. You'll want a toothpick, a fluffy brush, a buffer block, a file, and a French dipping tray. I got this tray from Walmart. I've already prepped my nails. This includes buffing the nail and pushing the cuticle back. I use a spoon to sprinkle over my dip powder, so we'll want one of those. I then pour my white powder into my dipping tray. I stir mine around because it has glow in it and I want it to be evenly dispersed. I will now take my Triple D dip base and apply it to the whole nail, avoiding the cuticle. Next, we are going to dip into the tray. You're going to go slowly and then rock side to side once you're in there, which will get you a deeper smile line. You want to point your finger down when you tap off the excess to avoid contaminating the rest of the nail with the white powder. I then use a plastic spoon to sprinkle the light pink powder over the entire nail. I tap off the excess and then use my toothpick to scrape around the cuticles to make sure we get a nice clean line at the end. You will use your fluffy brush to brush off the excess powder. Always brush off your excess powder before applying base again. I will repeat these steps on each nail 3 times to get my desired thickness and color. Next, we take our activating liquid and apply it to each nail. This is what hardens the nails. Once this is applied, let dry for 1 minute. Once the activator has dried, you will then take your buffing block and buff over each nail to make sure they get nice and smooth. I then take my file around the edges of my nails to be sure that those are also smooth. In this video, I'm using a glass file, but you can use any that you have. After filing, we will apply 1 more coat of our activating liquid to each nail. For the second coat of activator, be sure to let it dry for 2 to 3 minutes so it doesn't affect our top coat. Once the second layer of activator is dry, we will then take our top coat and apply a quick layer to each nail. If you get any on the cuticle, you can take your toothpick around the edge again. This first layer of top coat should dry almost instantly. For the second layer of top coat, be a little bit more detailed in your application, as this is our final step. And there we have it, a French manicure you can do yourself at home using dip powders.